Wonderful month it was for natural gas. We have seen nat gas moving all the way towards 4.38. And remember, I have been sharing this since long, and I was expecting this level since long. I have mentioned in my annual review as well, we are waiting for 4.4 levels, though it is yet to fill the gap completely at 4.4. And also, most importantly, it has closed the month at a pretty good support zone, and that is also we have predicted in our daily updates that we are looking forward to 3.8. Now, what to expect from net gas in the month of March? Are we looking forward to another round of rally? Are we looking forward for net gas to break beyond 5 or $6 levels, or at least aspire to move towards this? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading net gas in the month of March? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a long term review, and I do share my daily updates for natural gas with all the levels at which you can take a trade and trade with profits. First, I share the update with the Asia session, next with the US session. The subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And yes, towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels of Australia. So now on the week, look at the pattern here, and I've been sharing this since here that now lows are done, and I've been repeatedly recommending a buy, and net gas is beautifully respecting this. 4.4 was the first target, and I've been setting these targets since 2.5, 2.6 zone here. I will show you on the daily charts that why at 2.6 it was a great buy. Now see, this is how it has been trading. And this is definitely a bullish channel where higher lows and higher highs are seen. Where are the lows for this? Now it is going to be pretty difficult for net gas to trade below 3.2 and $3 levels. Now $3 levels has become a very crucial support. Look at these four candles and look at these candles here. So this zone, which was the resistance, has now become a greater support, and thus it is definitely going to be difficult for net gas to trade below 3.2 and $3 levels, which is going to remain a very strong support zone. But first thing is, can it move towards 3.2 or 3, or it is just going to rise? If you look at the formation, after every rise is offset with a retracement, and this time again after a rise here, it is offsetting with a retracement. Now see, it is closed at the bottom. This suggests that the beginning of the week and beginning of the new monthly candle is possibly gonna be on the red, where we can see it moving towards 3.7 or 3.6 levels. That is a very good support, because once it trades below 3.6, we are looking forward to 3.3, 3.1, and then $3 levels. Also, there is a gap left here as well, which it would like to fill before it shows any bounce back. Notice the moving averages on the weekly charts have crossed over. This is a very good sign for the bulls, and this also confirms that it is going to get extremely strong support as long as it stays above $3 levels. I think it is going to be very difficult for net gas to stay below 3 now. 3 has become a very prime support. When you look at the stock, I think this is rising, which is again a very good sign for the bulls, and it is still looking upwards. And the MACD is also rising. Look at this, the MACD, we have seen a greater fall, greater correction, after that a V shape, or you can see 50% retracement, and now it is again looking upwards. It may continue to trade in this path for a while, which is definitely a bullish path, and thus the swings, as I said, as long as now it stays above 3 or 2.94, you have to be very careful with the sales. Yes, the prices can again bounce back. In fact, those who want to risk a little, you can watch my daily updates, and then when you see the prices at around, if at all you see the prices at around 3, 2.94, initiative buy entry. Now see, the RSI here is looking downwards, which is not a good sign for the further bullish momentum. Now coming to the, if you see the daily charts, after every rise we see a retracement towards 20 period, and after this bigger rise it is again retraced towards the 20 period. Notice the momentum here since long now. 20 and 50 periods are definitely a greater support here, and now you can again see that it is trying to respect this channel, and after this good bullish move it is just trying to retrace, and hence here the levels at 3.8 and 3.76 are going to be the first and very prime, very strong support. Below this we are in fact looking forward to 3.7 and 3.6 levels, and if at all it trades below 3.55. You can just stay short further for 3.4, 3.32, 3.2 and lower levels. Appears difficult for such a greater correction, but it is net guess. If it can rally without a reason like this, it can correct sharply, and thus you have to watch out very closely how it behaves at 3.8, 3.76 zone. That is on the sell side. And now on the upside, $4 levels are in every way very critical for net gas to stay above, because beyond this 4.4 will become a certainty. If you look at the stock IC, this has dropped. The MACD, after retracing high, it is now crossing over for, and notice after this rise, it is consolidated, it is a breakout. It is not that it cannot achieve further highs, but when you look at the recent time frames, you can find out this is minus 200 levels from where net gas tries to bounce back, and on the upside plus 200. So this is the zone it has to come out of. Though on the upside it appears difficult, what it may do, it may give you a little retracement on the downside, worry you a bit, and then bounce back. RSI has dropped, indeed a slight bearish sign. Coming to on the 4-hour charts, moving averages are convergent. These have not yet crossed over. There is a greater resistance on the upside at 3.96, and now these are the levels which net gas need to break. Now see, moving averages have started to converge but not yet crossed over, and see this has happened here as well, where it has shown a little conversion and then a greater rally has appeared. So again, at the current levels, specifically at 3.8, 3.76, you can say now the possibility of a stronger reversal will increase here. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the most important one, the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, what's happening here? See, first of all, the bands have narrowed here. The price is now trying to put pressure on the bands to expand, and you can see now it is trading with moderate expansion. The second point here is, look at the formation here. See, the wicks on the upside suggest that the prices are not willing to move above $4 levels. That is the next thing. Third thing is the support it is showing at $3 levels is very strong, and below this you can say now we can look forward to a reversal like this, where the prices are going to trade all the way towards 2.5 levels, though appears difficult. As notice, after this greater decline, this is a double bottom only, and it is trying to rise like this. Possibility of a move all the way towards 6 to 8 zone exists strong. The stochastic at top here, the MACD on the monthly charts has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, which is a very good sign for the bulls. Look at the sharp fall, and preceded this was a greater rise, and now this could happen the same way the MACD would like to hit the highs. The RSI is rising, which is another very good sign for the bulls. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the month of March and for the coming week as well. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you swift-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, first, let's talk about the levels to buy here. When you talk about the levels to buy, I will only recommend you to buy at 3.860. Expect it to move towards 3.9496 as the next target, and if that is taken, then 4.02. Beyond this is where you can see little bullishness, where we can in fact expect it to move all the way towards 4.11, 4.2, and beyond 4.2 it is indeed going to hit 4.4, which is definitely a very crucial resistance, and beyond 4.4 is where complete rise can be seen all the way towards $5 levels. Appears difficult right now. The momentum is not so much supportive of further rise, or you can say stronger rise here. Now on the sell side, since we all have this selling option, as the prices are turning bearish, so looking at that, I will only recommend you to now sell at 3.8 levels. Now 3.8, 3.78, this is the zone which is going to remain a very good support. Below this, chances will be very high that we are looking at 3.7 and then 3.6, the most critical one at 3.6. If at all it trades beyond 3.6, below 3.6, stay short for 3.45, 3.2, and below that $3 levels. So take your trades accordingly. I do not see it breaking below 3, but 2.943 should be an extremely strong support if at all oil shows a down move from here. Remember, after this breakout below 3 is where extreme bearishness should prevail in net gas, taking it all the way towards 2. Now, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, or ping me over Telegram. And do not miss to watch the daily updates. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading month of March and a happy trading week as well. Happy weekend. Thank you. Have a good